retreat in the bag and everything. And now that I'm out here, I'm really glad I did, because it's probably half a mile away from the tent and water. But it's frustrating in those minutes that you want to get somewhere and beautiful, and you have to be prepared to get there. And I did it at night with my headlamp and stuff, so anyways. Beautiful trees with beautiful amounts of snow on them. And they're peeling off, and these redwood trees and stuff are really tall. Some of them can be hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of feet tall, and I got clobbered by one of those snow clumps coming from the top of the tree. One hit my tent and made its way through, like mist of snow made its way through, but when I was sitting by the campfire this morning, one of them came down and hit me square on the back and shoulder and scared the crap out of me. I mean, it's coming down with serious velocity from those kind of heights. But it was just, you know, soft, packed snow. Not even like a snowball, but it freaked me out.